TV and welcome back to my channel. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa dealership dahil gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung aming gagawin ngayon. At nagpaplano po kami na bumili ng car. So, hindi ko pa po alam kung anong klase. Basta yung anak ko po ang mamimili kung anong gusto niya. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Chevrolet. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, may mga car dito naka-display. Ay, yung kulay pula ang favorite ko. So, ayan, yung aking anak makikipag-usap doon sa agent. Titingnan niya kung anong mga available meron sila. At ngayon, ito po yung isa sa mga napipili niya, isa sa mga nagugustuhan niya. Pero titingnan daw niya yung specification kung nandiyan yung pinakagusto niya. Kasi yan ang pinakauna niyang tinitingnan dito ay yung merong, anong tawag doon? Yung ano ba yan tawag? Blind spot sa may mirror. Yun ang gustong-gusto niya. Kasi ayaw niya nang walang ganun dahil nasanay siya sa car namin na may ganun. Okay? So, yun. Still looking pa po kami. May nakita na kami doon sa Chevrolet. Ayan. Kaso yung kulay, wala pang available doon. So, pupunta pa kami doon sa another car dealer. Titingin pa kami doon kasi may isa pa na nagustuhan yung isa dito. So, tingin-tingin lang kung alin ang magustuhan. Ayan, doon kami bibili. Okay, so, ayan, stay tuned lang tayo.
Oh, you're not back yet? Yeah. Come here, check it out. Thank you. You're welcome. What's your name? Lester.
Check inside.
We met. Thank you for your business. I do appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
I'll get it nice and detailed and cleaned up for you and fill it for gas, okay?
Look inside. Nice. There's nothing? Nothing?
Siguro ganun naman. Hindi na-adjust.
No, that's it. Hindi na yan adjustable, Kayla. What about the back?
Oh wait, tatanong ko kung ano.
Dependent siya.
Oh,
Ito dependent. Dito sa taas.
hindi siya automatic.
Hindi.
Malaki yung space.
Malaki ang space.
Ay, gusto ko malaman kung
Walang ganun, Kayla.
mano-mano.
Wala.
Ay, ito.
Yep. So, ganun lang.
Ano, hindi pala ito na-adjust.
Hindi na yan. Walang ganun. Ay. Cloth siya ha. Hindi. Pero okay lang yan. Black naman. Black inside.
Sheesh. Ha.
What?
Ay, nag-text yung isa.
Ano sabi?
I need your checkbook. We just bought Kyla a Kia car. Ha ha. Messi. It's me.
you need to ask.
Tingnan mo.
Oh.
Charang!
Wait. Tutingin. Isa pa.
Ay.
Ah. That's all.
Ano ba ito pala? Really? Ano ito, may camera?
I don't know. Where is the search in your... Look at in the specification.
No, you have the button on the door.
Okay. So all you have to do is walk up and push the button like a Cadillac.
So this piece right here, leave it in the glove box until you register the car. This is your temporary
Okay,
registration.
put that in the envelope here. Put that inside that envelope.
Well, I want it in the car. I want that to stay in the car.
It goes in the glove box.
Oh, okay, cool.
But
I thought you were
with
telling
the
us.
insurance.
Gotcha.
So yun guys, ito na yata yung nagustuhan niya dahil maraming magaganda dito sa car na to. At yung mga hinahanap niya na mga specification mukhang nakikita niya rito, kompleto. Ayan, at saka maluwag yung loob. Malawak yung malaki yung trunk. Ayun, medyo at saka bago pa yung na to. Car na to, latest pa po siya. Maraming mga bagong rito. Install dito ng mga specification, hindi katulad sa amin. Yung camera din importante at saka yung blind spot sa side mirror, yan ang gustong-gusto niya. Meron na rin to, kompleto na. So ayan, antayin na lang natin at ida-drive test daw to ng lalaki. Kaya sasama kami. I-explain sa kanya, titingnan kung smooth ba ang takbo kumpara daw sa iba. At yung kulay, wala nang choice. Isa lang talaga ang kulay nito guys, red lang. Kung gusto mo ng ibang kulay o orderin pa nila, kaso matagal pa po yun, abutin pa yun ng 1 month mahigit. So ito lang ang available, so no choice. So ayan, antayin natin papunta na rito yung lalaki para mag-drive.
Do your homework when you're looking at cars, especially if you're sending someone away to get back and forth to school or work or whatever it is, and something with a warranty and all that good stuff. Make sure they're protected.
You also sell Amazon trucks?
No, it's a Dodge product, so they get them fixed here.
Oh.
Yeah, they're privately owned, so they get them fixed here. But what else? I mean, you said any recommendations? The Kia product is probably going to be the better product of what we have. It's just that budget range, because they're not cheap. Nothing's cheap any longer, but it's just that budget range that you guys are trying to be at is what the tougher part about it is. But just driving through here just to see what we have.
Like a compact SUV, do you have any?
The Nero, you can probably get the Nero for that. It's a hybrid vehicle.
No.
No?
Doesn't
No,
like
no,
hybrid.
Okay, fair enough. She's asking for suggestions. I'm just throwing them out there. Just throwing them out. I don't have any small SUVs. You're not going to find small SUVs in that $20,000 price range. They're still going to be. You know what? Let me look at. I've got a Nissan.
No,
No Nissans. Okay.
They're in financial trouble.
I'm sorry.
They're in financial trouble.
Nothing?
Sync that means so if you were to go here, you can basically adjust any type that you want. So you see here,
Oh, I see.
when you touch that button, it'll bring you here, and then you can go up or down.
I
You can change this to forward facing. You can do the floor, whichever you want. So it's all touchscreen integrated. The sync button, so let's just say if I move my part up,
Oh.
yours is still lowest, and if you hit sync, it'll automatically adjust to your side.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then to get out of that, you can just touch the button. And then to get out of this, you can either touch the top left, and then you can mess with your profile settings, whichever you need to do. And then also too, this is like your home row of like a keyboard, right? So
Yeah.
you can hit your home, and it'll bring you back here. But again, with Apple CarPlay, this is going to be your screen.
Yeah.
So you can set up widgets by touching this button, and you can basically go through what you want to show. So you can have it set up just like your main screen of your phone. Other than that, let's see. Do you like music?
I
Do you like loud music? Okay, so let's do that. Want me to set it for you?
Oh, yeah.
Let's get you some bass.
Should I turn on my music?
Sure. It's your car. You can do whatever you like. How much bass do you like? A lot of bass?
In the middle.
In the middle?
Yeah.
Okay, so keep it right here at 6, mid-range 3, treble 5. Okay. That's the best one for the Kia. Center would make everything go back to normal, okay? Okay?
Okay.
So from there, I think you should be all set. Now, what time are you available tomorrow?
Anytime.
Anytime? Okay, so what we'll do is I'll call Arsenio, I'll have him reach out to you in the morning, and then we'll schedule a time for you to come in. What is the best time though?
Maybe during, like after lunch?
After lunch?
Yeah.
So like 1?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll have him reach out to you, and then he'll get you scheduled back in so that he can finish the whole. So, this is actually pretty cool. This is new. So your phone. So I'm just gonna get you kind of started with your Bluetooth, and then when you can come back, that's when you can go ahead and start everything.
I am her. Saan? Rinive natin ng una.
Yung chef?
Oo.
Gusto mo yan?
Parang. Mas gusto mo yan, manis kaya. Okay lang.
Gusto mo yan?
Wala lang, parang malaki. Yung katulad sa amin. Yan. Oo. Tara, pasok. Customer.
Ito mas maganda reputation ng Kia cases.
So yan guys, ito na talaga yung napagdesisyonan at buo na ang loob niya. Hindi na siya magbabago. Kaya mamaya, hindi pa pala bukas pa maiuwi ito dahil need pa ng insurance. At dito kami ngayon, nag-antay kami ng mga documents na pipirmahan. So inaantay namin yung guy para asikasuhin guys yung mga papel. At after that, ready to go na. So ngayon guys, on the way na kami doon sa dealership para ituturo daw yung paano gamitin yung mga specification dito kasi nung kinuha namin to, saglit lang yung talagang nagtuturo ay wala po doon. So isang lalaki lang ang nagturo sa kanya pero hindi lahat na ituro sa kanya. So ngayon masaya na siya at siya na yung aking driver, hindi na ako yung magiging driver niya. At syempre, hindi na rin ako taga-sundo ngayon. Siya na lang. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.